Welcome to my channel. Today we're going into the world of the 2005 F2 euro cent coin. In this video, we'll quietly explore the details, history, and significance of this small but meaningful coin from the eurozone. The 2005 F2 euro cent coin was minted in Germany, one of the founding countries of the euro currency. The letter F stands for the Stuttgart Mint, one of the 5 main mints in Germany. This coin, like all euro cent coins, has a copper-plated steel composition, giving it its distinctive reddish color and a light magnetic property. It weighs 3.06 grams and has a diameter of 18.75 millimeters. Small, precise, and durable, just like its role in everyday European transactions. The obverse side of this coin features the German oak twig design. This oak twig is a quiet tribute to the old German pfennig, the pre-euro currency, and reflects the enduring symbol of strength and unity in German culture. The oak is one of Germany's national symbols, chosen to reflect endurance and resilience. On this tiny surface, you can see the fine detail of each leaf and the realistic texture carefully crafted by the mint. On the reverse, like all euro cent coins, you'll find the common European design by Luke Luyx, featuring a globe with the European Union member states highlighted. It's a reminder that this coin isn't just German. It's also part of a larger economic and political union. The coin's edges are smooth, with no reading or lettering, which is typical for the 2-cent denomination. Although the 2005 F2 euro cent coin is not considered rare, it holds meaning for collectors who focus on mint marks, year variations, and regional symbolism. In the world of euro coin collecting, each mint mark, A, D, F, G, or J, tells a different story. The F mark from Stuttgart represents consistency and quality in German minting practices. Coins like this circulate widely, passing through countless hands over years and decades. Each one picks up tiny signs of use, small scratches, faint discolorations, or the software of time. Yet the design remains, enduring and recognizable. Listening to this moment, perhaps you can imagine the quiet clink of coins in a pocket or the soft sound of one being placed on a counter in a busy European cafe. If you've ever held a 2-cent coin in your hand, you may have overlooked its details. Yet here it is, full of historical, artistic, and practical significance. It reminds us of how something so small can be part of something much larger. A financial system, a political union, a shared history across nations. This specific 2005 edition marked just 3 years after the euro became official currency in many European countries. In those early years, the euro was still settling into its identity, gradually replacing the national currencies people had used for generations. The 2-cent coin, often dismissed as mere pocket change, played a real role in that transition, especially in cash transactions, where pricing often ended in small cent amounts. You may not hear the coin's weight, but you can reflect on its presence, subtle, steady, reliable. This humble piece of metal helped buy newspapers, coffee, bread, and more. It traveled in wallets, cash drawers, charity boxes, and vending machines. Every scratch tells a quiet story. Every edge speaks of distance traveled. The numismatic value of this coin may be small today, but for those who collect euro coins by year and mint mark, it is an essential piece in a wider puzzle. For enthusiasts of European coins, the 2005 F holds interest not just as a currency item, but as part of a broader picture. One that includes political change, economic integration, and cultural identity. As we continue through this quiet journey, imagine the repetition of this coin's pattern. The oak leaves pressed into thousands of copper blanks at the Stuttgart Mint. The press is working day after day to produce consistent, high-quality results. Each coin nearly identical, yet each one destined for a different path. Some are saved. Some are spent. Some are lost, buried in drawers, or discovered years later by curious collectors. The 2 euro cent coin is often underestimated. It's easy to ignore. But for those who pay attention, it offers a rich field of detail, history, and meaning. The fact that it still exists and circulates today speaks to its durability and continued relevance. Small coins like this are often phased out in various countries, but in the eurozone, they remain an everyday part of life. If you're a collector, you might appreciate how these coins vary slightly from year to year. Not in design, which remains the same, but in condition, toning, and mint quality. Some 2005 F coins have a bright coppery shine, while others have begun to turn darker, with hints of brown or even subtle greenish tones from exposure. Each coin ages differently, depending on how it was used and stored. As we near the end of this experience, let's take a final moment to reflect. This coin, minted in 2005 in Stuttgart, continues to serve a quiet purpose in the economy. It represents more than its face value. It connects people and places. It carries the weight of tradition and the movement of progress. It may be small, but it's a symbol of something much bigger. The union of nations, the legacy of history, and the simple, enduring utility of a well-made coin. Thank you for spending this time immersed in the story of the 2005 F2 euro cent coin. Let the stillness and subtlety of this experience stay with you. For those who notice the details, even in things as small as a coin, there's always something to discover.